Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Why some people are more susceptible to developing drinking problems, study finds. Rutgers Health research have discovered that brain immune cells from people with a high genetic risk for alcohol use disorder behave differently than cells from low risk people when exposed to alcohol. The study in Science Advances could help explain why some people are more susceptible to developing drinking problems and potentially lead to more personalized treatments. The research team took blood samples from two groups of people, those with both high genetic risk for alcohol use disorder and diagnosed alcohol problems, and those with low genetic risk and no alcohol problems. They transformed these blood cells into stem cells and made them develop into a type of brain-based immune cell called microglia. They then exposed these two groups of cells, one from the people with a high genetic risk for alcohol use disorder and one from the people with a low risk for alcohol use disorder, to alcohol levels that mimic those seen in the blood following alcohol use. The microglia with the high genetic risk scores were far more active than the microglia with the low genetic risk scores after the alcohol exposure, said Zindi Lee, lead author of the study, a postdoctoral fellow at the Child Health Institute of New Jersey. The highly active cells engage in more synaptic pruning, removing connections between neurons in the brain. This increased pruning activity could have significant implications, the researchers said. After many years of drinking, people with these genetics may have a greater risk of dementia because the microglia pruned so many more connections, Lee said. Their overactivity could make neurons less functional. This work could eventually lead to better treatments for alcohol use disorder. The results suggest that if different genetic variations lead to different cell behaviors in the brain, people with different genetic signatures may need different treatments. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.